Are you tired of massive, bulky desktop computer towers taking up half of your desk space, sucking up power and generating a ton of heat? Or maybe you're a business owner, an IT professional, or an industrial worker looking for a heavy-duty, highly reliable machine that can survive tough environments while running complex tasks 24/7. If you fall into any of these categories, or if you simply want a ridiculously powerful computer that fits in the palm of your hand, you have clicked on the right video today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an incredibly deep dive into a machine that completely redefines what a compact computer can do. We are talking about the HISTTON Industrial Mini PC, specifically the FH6 model powered by the Intel Core i5-10210U processor. This is not your average flimsy plastic mini PC designed just to browse the web. This is an industrial-grade, multi-display powerhouse running Windows 11 Pro right out of the box. Before we get into all the amazing specs and real-world performance tests, I want to let you know that I have put a special link in the description box right below this video. If you want to check the current pricing, see more user reviews, or pick one of these up for yourself on Amazon, make sure you click that link. Now, let us jump straight into what makes the HISTTON Mini PC an absolute beast of a machine. Let's start by talking about the design and the build quality, because the word industrial is in the name for a reason. When you first pick up the HISTTON FH6, you immediately notice that it feels incredibly premium and substantial. It weighs in at about 1.15 kilograms, which is roughly 2.5 pounds, and has dimensions of 8.26 inches by 5 by 2.36 inches. This means it's incredibly compact. You can tuck it behind a monitor, mount it to a wall, hide it under a desk, or integrate it into a factory production line without it getting in the way. But despite being so small, it's built like a tank. It's designed to handle continuous operation in environments where a standard consumer desktop would just give up and fail. Whether it's being used for multimedia, content creation, business, education, or commercial applications, the physical footprint is minimal, but the durability is absolute maximum. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, the performance. Underneath that rugged exterior, the HISTTON Mini PC is powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i5-10210U processor. This is a quad-core processor with a base speed of 1.6 GHz. But don't let that base number fool you. With Intel's Turbo Boost technology, it ramps up beautifully when you demand more power. Whether you're crunching massive Excel spreadsheets, managing databases, running point-of-sale software, or even doing some light video editing and content creation, this i5 processor handles it without breaking a sweat. But a great processor is nothing without the right supporting hardware, and HISTTON didn't cut any corners here. This specific model comes loaded with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM running at 2666 megatransfers per second. 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot for modern computing. It means you can have dozens of Google Chrome tabs open, run background applications, stream ultra-high-definition video, and operate specialized industrial software at the exact same time without experiencing that frustrating system lag. On top of that generous memory, you're getting a massive 512 gigabyte NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. If you're still using older SATA hard drives, the jump to NVMe M.2 is going to blow your mind. Windows boots up in literally seconds, huge files open almost instantly, and your overall system responsiveness is incredibly snappy. With 512 gigabytes, you have plenty of room for your operating system, all your heavy applications, and years' worth of files and documents. Now, I want to talk about one of my absolute favorite features of this specific HISTTON Mini PC, the display capabilities. If you're someone who loves a multi-monitor setup, you're going to love this. This mini computer features integrated Intel UHD graphics for 10th gen processors, and it provides not one, not two, but 3 distinct video output ports. You get 2 HDMI ports in one display port. Because of this, the HISTTON Mini PC supports triple display output simultaneously at a maximum native resolution of 3840 by 2160. Yes, that means you can run 3 4K monitors at the same time. Think about how incredible that is for a productivity workstation. You can have your email on one screen, your main working project on the center screen, and your reference materials or a video stream on the third screen. For commercial settings, this makes it the ultimate digital signage player, capable of driving menu boards in restaurants, information kiosks in hospitals, or multiple data dashboards in a control room. Let's pivot and talk about connectivity, because a mini PC is only as good as the things you can plug into it. This is where the HISTTON really separates itself from standard consumer computers and proves its industrial pedigree. First, for your everyday peripherals, you have 4 USB ports, which is plenty for your included wired QWERTY keyboard, your mouse, external storage, and webcams. For networking, it features a highly reliable Ethernet port for hardwired zero-latency internet connection, alongside built-in Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 for all your wireless needs. But the real star of the show for commercial and industrial users are the COM ports. This machine includes RS-232 and RS-485 COM ports. If you're just using this for home entertainment, you might not know what those are, but if you work in industrial automation, you know exactly how critical these legacy ports are. These COM ports allow this mini PC to connect directly to factory machinery, robotics, barcode scanners, advanced medical equipment, and specialized point-of-sale systems. Trying to find a modern, highly capable computer that still natively supports RS-232 and RS-485 without using unreliable USB adapters is incredibly difficult, and HISTTON delivers it perfectly right here. Another massive selling point that saves you time, money, and headache is the operating system. This PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. Let me emphasize the word Pro here. Most budget computers give you Windows 11 Home, which lacks essential business features. With Windows 11 Pro, you get BitLocker device encryption to keep your sensitive business data perfectly secure. You get advanced remote desktop capabilities so IT managers can access the machine from anywhere in the world. And you get seamless integration into corporate networks using Active Directory. It's a true plug-and-play business solution. However, if you're a developer, an engineer, or an open-source enthusiast, you'll be thrilled to know that this hardware fully supports Linux and Ubuntu environments as well. The flexibility here is truly outstanding. When you purchase the HISTTON FH6, they give you everything you need to get started. The box includes the mini PC itself, the power adapter equipped with a standard 2-pin plug, a user manual to walk you through the setup, and they even throw in an HDMI cable so you can plug it into your monitor or television the minute you open the box. So who is the HISTTON Industrial Mini PC really for? It's honestly one of the most versatile machines on the market today. If you're setting up a home theater and want a silent, tiny computer to stream 4K movies, this is perfect. If you're a student or professional who needs a fast, reliable desktop that doesn't clutter your workspace, this is exactly what you need. But most importantly, if you're outfitting a retail store, managing a warehouse, running a factory floor, or building digital advertising displays, the rugged build, the triple 4K output, and the specialized COM ports make this an absolute no-brainer. It's currently sitting strong in the Amazon bestsellers rank for mini computers, and it's very easy to see why. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace, modernize your business infrastructure, or just get your hands on an incredibly reliable and powerful piece of technology, you need to check out the HISTTON Core i5 Mini PC. I've made it super easy for you. Just click the link in the description below to head over to Amazon. That link will show you the most up-to-date pricing, any active discounts, and allow you to read reviews from other people who have already integrated this amazing little computer into their daily lives. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful and informative, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tech reviews and hardware recommendations. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about this mini PC, or let me know what kind of setup you would build with it. Thanks again for tuning in. Remember to click the link in the description to grab yours, and I'll see you in the next video.